bitch like young. I bought a yours today.
Alright, I'm on my way to go meet up with Brian, Ashton, and Danny. We're gonna meet up at Chevy Skate Park. But the thing is, it was raining earlier, so hopefully the park isn't too wet. And I'll see you guys when I get there.
Oh. You don't shake that bitch. I don't got no fucking limit, little bitch. I be running this motherfucking bitch.
Let's go. Yes, sir. That was the best one. All right, I got your back, That was all slow. Oh. God. Fuck. I almost did the same thing. Oh. Oh. Why I oughta. Oh, manos! Manos!
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Jair. Jair, hi. Jair, hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Freddie,
Yeah.
keep your eyes on the road. Don't be doing all that, bro.
All right. For the past few days that I've been here in LA, I now see why everyone complains about the traffic. It took us like 10 minutes to only move somewhere that should have taken like 30 seconds. All right, we're all at the spot waiting for Brian to pull up, and the fucking sidewalk is broken right here, and we're gonna do tricks on it.
Me and Freddie, we've been cool for a minute now. How long have I known you for?
I can't think with my fingers in your mouth.
Oh, that was fucking gross.
Bro, I went to Santa Clarita yesterday with Snappy.
Snappy?
Yeah.
That's where you fucked up, bro. Snappy gonna make you skate rules, my boy.
That park is built for like crazy ass skaters. Smallest thing they had there was like a 6 there. I ollied it and I tried to do a hard flip, but I just didn't want to keep on jumping. And so like I got 3 like random ass dumb clips. Yeah, Snappy jumped off like the 5 block. Snappy jumped off the 5 block and I did like a 50-50 on the ledge. Okay, apparently he's taking a fat shit right now. Now we just pulled up to Raleigh Skate Park. It's gonna be my first time here, so I'll give a little tour and then just cut straight to the clips.
Quick rating of the skate park.
10 out of 10. I really
Yeah?
like it. All right,
Commit.
Right here, slap me, all right?
Yes.
If I don't commit.
I'm gonna slap you hard as fuck.
Ooh, I committed. All right, how about double or nothing?
Nope, come here. What? Hey, why you backing up?
Let's do it, go. All right.
Whoa. Oh, that was. What did he say?
He said, yeah.
Yo, boy don't love you, gang.
All right, Raleigh sesh is over. It was actually super fun. Probably one of my favorite parks I've been to so far in LA. My favorites out here so far are Chevy Chase and that one for sure. Thank you for taking me.
Yeah, it was fun. Thank you for coming, bro. Thank you for coming to the hood. What'd you think of the hood? What'd you think of South
The
Central?
hood, not so good. The park was good. My eyes are kind of red and I actually feel super tired. It's like 5 o'clock right now and I've only had breakfast, which was like 7 hours ago. And I'm starting to have a little headache. I can either go home and eat something and be done for the day, or I go to El Sereno skate park and meet up with Brian. I really don't want to go home, but I don't feel like I can skate that much longer. I'm literally still parked on the sidewalk right in front of Danny's house and he texted me right now if I want a burrito. So I guess this is gonna be my food and energy to skate at El Sereno. That's my burrito. That looks so good. I got all that?
I'm just get a little bite before I leave.
Yeah, get a bite.
Make sure to bring me the Tupperware because my mom will whoop my ass, bro.
Okay, I'll bring it back.
You about to go home?
Yeah, it was, but then you texted me. You literally texted me. I was about to leave. Now I'm gonna go to the park right now. All right, I just pulled up to the park. Bro, the drive took like 45 minutes. That was literally the worst thing I've ever done in my entire life. The traffic is actually terrible here. It's like the only bad thing that I had to say about LA so far. Took like
First tee.
the whole 30 minutes. Oh, now I got a switch flip.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, that's so... What the fuck is this?
Bro, no, bro, we made you a sandwich.
What the fuck?
No, bro, you look a little hungry. Oh, shit.
What the fuck is this, cheese?
When the homie don't give you a blanket.
A little bit like young, yeah. I bought a yours today.